So it was really, really something. I'm very, very proud to be a part of this movie. Um, I, like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. But I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution कि आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. मैं बस सर ऐसे होता है. लाइक हाँ बेटा, ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे, and it's engaging, gripping, tense, and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. That's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, sir, the way you've pitched it. It is absolutely impeccably credible, yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Sashwat, who's in a very, very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them. And my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are. My beautiful team, our beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. Chalo yaar, is baar kuch karna hai, kuch bada karna hai, gadar machana hai is baar. And of course, the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid, in every medium, on stage, on television, in film. And I'm so proud to be sharing the screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who's an institution in himself. Wow. We are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
लेकिन अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू हो रहा है.
हाँ sir. Thank you guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani sir's cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show, you tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. एंड टीजर लेवल पे आपने देखा था, जब टीजर निकला था, सब देख रहे हैं एंड फीडबैक यही था, यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है. उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता है, अरे ये माधवन सर है, क्या लुक है. एंड इट्स नॉट इजी, 3-4 hours in prosthetics, but sir, what a performance. I can't wait for the world to see it. Arjun sir, that was very, very kind of you to say. I was very, very touched by what you said. आपको पता है, मैं थोड़े से फनी टेल्स बताऊंगा. ये Arjun sir is known to be the most good-looking man on earth. Okay, but of late people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़की बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हैं, बोला हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था, जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया, चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे. कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, वो ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो चलो, you know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि दे आर जस्ट लाइक अ चाइल्ड प्रोडिजी. लाइक एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. आई थिंक सारा, इट्स टेस्टमेंट टू द फैक्ट दैट यू बीट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ other candidates to land this part, and it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई हैं. She is so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी adult rated film है. जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज़ करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा. आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है, बट आप so, you are an absolute beast, ma'am. It really takes conviction of another level to back something like this, a vision like this. And जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way we would face challenges, and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen?
7.
After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, यार करना है यार, दिखाना है दुनिया को कि हम कौन हैं. You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion, and you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100%, because this is a team sport, you see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना, और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.